You ready to take your business online? The first step is to buy a domain name. In this video, I'll show you easily and quickly on how you can do so. Hey there, I'm Akshat and I help businesses build strong online presence with the help of websites and marketing. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what domain name is. A domain name is your website's address on the internet, like your website.business.com. It's how people will find you online. So it's essential for your business. Think of it as your digital store. Choosing a good domain name is crucial. It should be relevant, easy to remember, and ideally short. Avoid using hyphens in it. They can confuse the user and also it can be harmful for your SEO when you do it in the future. For example, if you own a bakery or a shop that names sweet treats or something else, pet shops, then try getting the name as sweettreats.com or sweettreats dot whatever the country code you are using instead of sweet.treats or sweet hyphen treats dot 123 etc. Let's get on the screen and see how you can purchase your first domain name for your business. Now let's walk through the process of buying the domain name. You can get on this website by clicking the link in my description and it will help you get some discount as well. So I will be using Namecheap for this video because it is a good alternative that I just found out and I'll recommend using it uh, to every one of you as well. So the first thing we will do is we'll just write the name in this box. You can do your business name.com or the business name.in or whatever extension that you're looking for at the moment .co org or anything. These are the few example of it. You can just take a look at it. Now you can check as well if your respected domain name is available or not by just typing in. If it is not available, then it will show you just like this. And what you can do is you can buy any alternative domain name given below, or you can just buy another domain name which can suit you or which will suit your business. So let's go with this one for now. So it is available. It will show you like this. Just add to cart and check out. Now, why I said the name chip is best because it provides domain privacy for lifetime. That is free forever. I will do is I'll just apply the promo code. You can log in with the link in my bio, and also I'll provide this promo code in it as well. So you can just get it from the link there. Then you can click on confirm orders. Okay, no need to add any of these things. Just click on confirm orders. Fill out all the details, name, and if you're registering, then just enter these things from behalf of your company and then click on continue. Keep this thing as it is, as you won't need to do anything with this. Just make sure it is clicked and you did not like click it and disabled it. Okay. Now click continue. So I just skipped the part of the billing section. We set up the account, we did the setup. I skipped the billing part. You can pay with the card, PayPal, or your account funds, anything. And then we are on the order once you click continue. So just check these all details. The domain privacy is free forever as long as you renew the domain. The domain is only around 6.16, which is good. So we will do pay now. That's it. You successfully bought your first domain name. If you found this video helpful, like it and comment below if you have any questions. In my next video, I'll show you how you can use this domain name and host your first website live on the internet and how you can build your stores and website in the next few upcoming videos. You can subscribe to my channel if you are interested in websites, marketing, and growing your business online.